The state's first cost rental housing scheme opened for lottery-style applications today. The development in Balbriggan in Dublin is the first of 7 schemes around the country, due to deliver 440 homes this year.
This is the first cost rental scheme in the country to be ready. Situated in a mixed tenure estate, Taylor Hill in Balbriggan, where 25 homes will be long-term rental properties available at 50% of market rate. They're being managed by the housing body Clúid, which sets rent just to cover the cost of development and maintenance.
As a large housing association, we buy and build properties all the time. And in this case, we bought these properties from Glenveigh. We used the loan from the government, the cost rental equity loan from the government, and we used funding, a loan from the Housing Finance Agency to bring it together.
Eventually, the government plans to provide 2,000 cost rental units a year. They're for those who earn under €53,000 annually, but who are not on social housing supports.
I believe we're going to see hundreds and thousands of more of this type of development in these homes that are going to boost supply across the country, give secure rents for tenants, which is what we want, and actually affordable rents for tenants. So no tenant who's going to be here is going to be fearful that their landlord is going to sell next year, that their landlord is going to decide that they're moving a family member in. So they're secure. People can lay down their roots here.
Applications for the Taylor Hill development open today online, and successful tenants will be chosen by lottery. John Currain, RTE News, Dublin.